Covering an area of nearly 70 hectares, the Perdicaris forest, better known as the Millet's forest, is a veritable botanical park containing hundreds of native and exotic species, and which also offers an incredible view of the Strait of Gibraltar in the nearby ocean. The harmony between the green scenery and the ocean makes it an irreplaceable place. On a hill overlooking the Strait of Gibraltar, where the Mediterranean Sea meets the Atlantic Ocean, Chateau Perdicaris stands majestically in the middle of the Millet forest, telling the story of Tangier and the biological richness of northern Morocco. The architecture of this residence is characterized by the adoption of a composite style combining the Anglo-Saxon Queen Anne, the classic style, and the shape of the castles of medieval Europe. The Perdicaris castle, built by the American of Greek origin Ion Perdicaris in 1878 to treat his wife suffering from tuberculosis in the open air, has been transformed into a museum which exposes the history of this character and the biodiversity of this region. On the ground floor is exposed the history of the character of Ion Perdicaris and his residence, and upstairs they transformed some of the rooms to an exposition of biodiversity of the region. So now I'll let you enjoy these few moments where I showed the old objects as well as the rooms of this castle. So now we are heading to a mythical place of Tangier, which is Cap Spartel's lighthouse. Cap Spartel, meeting point of the Mediterranean and the Atlantic. Located 14 kilometers west of Tangier, Cap Spartel and its lighthouse, where the Atlantic and the Mediterranean meet, form a place of exceptional beauty. Turquoise water, beach stretching 45 kilometers long to a sea line in the south, sumptuous sunsets. The place is magical.